Hey, what is up guys? Welcome to RAM Overload. Today I want to show you guys how to install websites as desktop applications on your PC. So it's really simple to do, and it's really cool in my opinion as well that you can do this. So let's get started. What we want to do is first open up Microsoft Edge. I have it open right here, and we want to go to the specific website that we want to make into an application. So for me, I'll just go to wayfair.com. Okay, so all right, we're at wayfair.com, and there's no desktop application for this. I want to make it into a desktop application. So it's really easy to do. All we need to do is click this drop down menu over here, click apps, and then install this site as an app. So press that. What do you want to call it? Let's just say Wayfair. I don't need the whole title. You can also edit the logo if you want, but we don't need to. So you press it, wait a couple seconds, and it will open up. Create a shortcut on the desktop. Okay, so now here is basically the site. Let's just move this over to the side, and we can see we can resize this as well, like as we need. So you guys can see over here. So now let's close this and just show you guys how it actually is. So we installed it on the desktop as well since we selected that option, and you can see it over here. We can just double click this, and there we are. It's kind of, it's obviously the web page in its own I guess window, right? You don't have the search on top for the URL, you don't have the different tabs. It's just basically its own window. And not only that, it comes with that neat icon on the bottom, so you can differentiate this from other software. So in my opinion, this is really good if you're using like Gmail or something like that, right? Where apps or websites you always have open. Okay, so you can just create an app for that, and then from there just keep it on your desktop, double click it, open it up independently aside from all your other tabs you have open on your Windows. So yeah, that's pretty much it. This will work as a regular website, as you were on the regular browser. But yeah, let me know what you guys' thoughts are. If you like this tutorial, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And also don't forget to hit that notification bell. It definitely helps out the channel. And yeah, if you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. Other than that, peace out.